This is Slice, a powerful media player built from the ground up to be easy to use. I'm Mo, one of the creators of Slice. The original concept for Slice was born while I was looking for the perfect media system. I wanted something compact, portable, and with its own internal storage. I couldn't find anything like this on the market at the time, so I decided to build it myself. Excited by this initial idea, 5 of us got together, and after developing a number of prototypes, Slice has been developed into an awesome product. We've designed a gorgeous aluminium case, custom PCB, and purpose-built remote. It looks great, performs flawlessly, and is fun to use. We're really proud of the way Slice has turned out. We've created the media player we'd like to own. Crafted from solid aluminium, Slice's anodised case features a unique LED system, a multicolour band of light that provides visual feedback about things like playback and power states. At the heart of Slice, you'll find the new Raspberry Pi compute module running XBMC and our own purpose-built user interface. Slice's custom electronics provide features such as high-resolution audio, Ethernet, USB, infrared remote support, and a large internal hard drive. Most media players rely on being connected to the internet and are complicated to operate. Slice is different. With its simple instructions and straightforward setup, you'll be up and running right out of the box. Simply connect Slice to any computer via USB and drag and drop your media onto it. Slice will then automatically add artwork and extended information for each file on the system. Slice will play HD video, display your photos, play back music, and even act as an AirPlay receiver, allowing you to stream audio and video wirelessly from your iOS devices. We've worked really hard to make Slice a great product. We've got working prototypes and we're ready to move into mass production. We just need to raise money to put the finishing touches